evening, YouTubers, friends and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on June 18th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. I want to apologize to all of my subscribers across the world. I have been MIA for 18 days, but I had to take care of some personal issues, and we will get to that another day. But here we are. The last time we were talking, we were looking at Tropical Storm Alberto heading into Florida in the United States, and that did bring a lot of flooding conditions to coastal regions in the southeast Gulf states. And the southeastern states are now dealing with some flash flooding conditions. Also Wisconsin dealing with a dam break. Mr. MB was reporting that a while ago. But myself, I'm keeping an eye on this large Pacific low pressure system developing right now. And late week it will be arriving the BC coastline with some pretty vigorous winds. So watch for this large low pressure system to be hitting the BC interior, bringing a lot of high surf and strong winds. Also watching all of the sulfuric ash that is in our atmosphere right now from Kilauea. You can see it from satellite imagery here, NASA Worldview. We're just going to zoom right in to the island of Kilauea, Hawaii. And you can see that the coastlines are just covered in this white sulfuric cloud, as all of that lava is emptying into the ocean. Huge lava shelf. Amazing footage coming out of Hawaii. Just look at that. That's pretty vast. Now, I was also watching the USGS and GPS receivers that help monitor the deformation of Kilauea Volcano. This is the electronic tilt of the Kilauea summit the last 2 days. So we are on a steady decline. Watching these graphs, you can see that there is definitely something changing big time. East Rift Zone the past week. Kilauea East Rift Zone the past 2 days. It's really ramping up after we had that 5.8 earthquake in Kilauea yesterday that was recorded. Another 5.3 today. But you can see here what the activity was like at the beginning of the month. And now there was a steady decrease in that summit. It is dropping. And where is this transferring to? Geologists and scientists are really giving out a very big warning to the whole island of Hawaii, as over 500 homes have been destroyed, villages have been wiped out, people buried. And here is the last 7 days for earthquake, as yes, I've been missing in action for 18 days, but I am back. And I've missed quite a bit. And there are a lot of great channels out there. I hope you guys have been tuning in and staying awake while the dew was taking a break. Again, I want to thank all my loyal subscribers. Thanks for watching today and staying aware and awake with me. That was the last 7 days. I can't even show all of the earthquakes that were in Hawaii the last 7 days. But today there was a 5.3. So still a lot of movement in Kilauea. Another largest earthquake over the last 48 hours. 5.5 in Takatsuki, Japan. Here's the last 24 hours for earthquakes. Still, tons of earthquakes in Hawaii. Wow, I am praying for everybody in Hawaii, because it's just not stopping, and that lava is still just pumping out. 4.6 in Japan as well today. In Halmahera, Indonesia. 3.4 in Bosnia. So yes, very busy for earthquakes. And of course, we're going to go around the world for weather. Watching here, that large low pressure system developing, being squeezed by two high pressures. But I believe that it will gain strength as it gets to the coast. And low pressure after low pressure development through Micronesia, Tunisia, Malaysia, as all of these monsoon rains are developing. You can see that large low pressure line guiding all the systems from west to east. Still very cool. Temperatures being recorded, southeastern Australia breaking records, and also New Zealand dealing with the same thing, cold temps. Go figure. I've been talking about it for over a year now, folks. So stay aware and prepared. Grand solar minimum is coming. Watching this large low pressure system over the next few days, bringing a lot of rain to the southeastern United States, and also this large low pressure system heading into the Bering Strait and connecting with the Hudson's Bay vortex yet again, bringing still very cool temperatures to northern parts of Ontario and Manitoba. Over Europe, United Kingdom, watching another large low pressure system developing and heading out to sea. But over the next few days, watch for very strong winds and a lot of heavy downpours, as we are still watching these low pressure systems get stronger and stronger, bigger and bigger. Why? Hashtag grand solar minimum. We have a collapsed magnetosphere, which is now reflecting more cosmic rays, increasing our moisture worldwide. Look at the size of this low pressure system in the Antarctic. It's the size of the Arctic. Like, why isn't mainstream media talking about it? Well, I am anyways. Looking at more wildfires in Russia, in Chukot, Russia. Just reported 19 hours ago. You can see here satellite imagery. Around the world we go, looking at the disaster alerts, as we have extreme heat warnings in British Columbia, Northwest Territories as well. And Alberta, I'm sure, over the coming days, as I was watching the humidity levels rising today. Heat warnings in the East Coast, United States as well. 38 degrees, I believe it reached in Windsor, Ontario with the humidex. Wow. Looking at fires in the United Kingdom as well. So hopefully the rain over the next few days can kind of damper that situation. I am back, folks, and I'm going to be doing my best to catch you up to our world events happening every moment and every day. I will be uploading again. I am back. And thank you for watching today. These are my areas of interest for the week. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Bye-bye.
Okay.